Well, welcome once again. Today I'm at this place hiking. This is a different hill, and it's rocky as you can see. I'm trying to reach up. Let me try my best. Let me see if I can reach at the top. I'm just beginning, but as you can hear, I'm really breathing. Going uphill is not a simple task, but I'll try my best. Wow, still have a long way to go. That is going up and down. I want to reach up there. Hope there are no snakes here. What I can see is that we have a lot of locust. I don't know about all the locust or grasshoppers. Phew. I'm really breathing. Down there, that is Kakuma town, and this other side, that is Kakuma 1 refugee camp. Yeah, let's continue going up. My wish is to reach up to show you how it looks like when you're up there. So today I've given myself this task to climb up this hill, at least to share with you how it feels like climbing a hill. Yeah, I'm almost there, but it's getting tougher. I don't know, but I'll make sure I reach there. It's becoming tougher, rocky. Wow, I can't go this fast. I thought it'll take me almost 30 minutes, but I'm really going too fast. Yeah, let me show you where I'm from. That is down the hill. Yeah, you can see I'm really moving so fast. I've already used 4 minutes and some seconds, and I still have something like I'm 3/4 way. I'm sure I have at least around a quarter to reach top. Yeah, it's a challenge that you can promise yourself and do it. And here I am doing it. I think I'm almost there. Oh yeah, I'm almost there. Oh God. Wow. Yeah, I've completed 36 minutes going up, and I'm still going up, and I'm almost there. I'd like us to see the other side of this hill, what we can see. Yeah, at long last I did some timing for myself, and I've used approximately 7 minutes to reach the top. Yeah, I want to show you this other side. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. As you can see, I told you that is Kakuma 1, and then this other side, from the far you can see the white iron sheets. That is Kakuma 2 and Kakuma 3 and 4. Let me try. Still go up. The sun is going down. The sun is fading away. Yeah, it reminds me of a reggae song that normally says the sun is fading away. We have a school down here. It's a very special school here in Kakuma, and it's under LWF, that is the Lutheran World Federation, a school that goes by the name Angelina Jolie, the actress. The school was named after her because she's the founder of the school. Yeah, I'm up at the top, and from where I am, there's some music coming downhill. I'll show you. Almost there. I'm here. So you can see that is our seasonal river over there. It goes through the refugee camp, and here I am. We have some water over down there. Yeah, that's the school I was telling you. Over here, as you can see, that is the Angelina Jolie school for girls, especially the vulnerable girls in the society. You can see that small, they are very narrow roads going over there. That will be taking you to Kakuma 2. Far end, that is Kakuma 2 and Kakuma 3. Then if at all my camera can zoom this other side, far end over there, you can see the white thing almost at the top of the mountains there. That is the Kalobeye settlement, and Kalobeye consists of 3 settlements. That is village 1, village 2 and village 3. This is Kakuma 2, Kakuma 3 and Kakuma 4. And then to this other side, bringing you back to Kakuma 1 over there, then to Kakuma town there. Yeah, it's my pleasure coming this far to show you. We have some water over there. Yeah, we had some rains recently, and that is the result of rains. So going back, maybe before I'll bring you down to this other side. Yeah, you can see, I hope you can see a school bus over there. That is the road connecting Kakuma and Lokchogio. Towards the other end, we'll be taking you to Lokchogio. Then going this other side, bringing you back to Kakuma. Yeah. Down there, we have a very nice hotel. It's a restaurant, not an hotel. A restaurant. Over there, let me zoom it. It goes by the name Hattorites. Very nice place. During your own time, you can pay a visit down there. If you like swimming, they have the swimming pool. Everything is there. Yeah, very interesting. I want to go back, then down the hill. Yeah, I've shown you almost a 360. That is on top of this hill that goes by the name Kalimchuch. It's a nice place to hike, since it's not that far from town. Though you need maybe a motorbike to make you reach this side. Yeah, towards this side, place is too rocky. I've seen something here. I'm seeing something here. I don't know what it is. Looks like a beacon. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like a beacon. I don't know. Maybe it's a boundary. I don't know. I don't know if you can see those people playing football down there. At least you can see some shadows. Yeah. Still going this other side, then I'll go down.